Yeah, say hi. Oh, I feel so like a celebrity here. Alright guys, welcome to another video. I'm here in Jakarta, Indonesia, and I just arrived in Kota Tua, which is the old town here in Jakarta. As you might know, the Dutch ruled here for a long time, and this is kind of the remains of it. Lots of Dutch buildings or Dutch inspired buildings. Also, I see sometimes what is written on the buildings looks very Dutch, like the old Dutch, what we used to use in Belgium as well. I mean, we still speak Dutch in Belgium, but the old Dutch here is very interesting to me. I don't know what he's saying, but I don't know what he's saying. Okay, but let's go and explore. If you want to, you can take your pictures here in a nice fancy car or in a nice motorbike with sidecar. For me, it's very interesting to see Dutch on the buildings because I speak Dutch, you know, so it's very interesting. Hi.
Do you mind if I take a picture?
Picture? Yeah. Oh, sure. Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Jakarta or?
No. In another island.
Oh, another island. You're a
Sumatra
tourist.
Island.
Sumatra. Oh, you're a tourist
Local
here.
tourist. Yeah.
So this square is actually called Taman Fatila Square, and this is like the main area. Mostly Dutch heritage buildings around, I would say. Looks very familiar, like these kind of squares we have also in Europe mostly. Like this is the main square and all the buildings around, and people gather here at the squares, the events are at the square. It's very similar to what we have in Europe. Where are you from?
I work here.
Oh, what's your job?
I have to open it. I'm an architect and archaeologist.
Archaeologist?
Architect also.
Oh.
We're doing the restoration. That is my job.
Oh, you restaurate the building?
Yes, that is what I'm doing. The restoration.
Oh, restoration.
So in 10 years, you're coming back.
Yes.
The old Batavia, 17 kilometers square.
17?
In 10 more years.
They will finish it? Restaurate everything?
25 years totally, 10 more years finish. You're coming back. Old Batavia, 17 kilometers square, only for pedestrian.
Really?
Number 2, only for Oma feet.
Grandma feet, yeah.
Oma
feet.
Yeah.
Oh, the bicycle you mean?
Sorry, my Dutch pronounce.
Yeah.
Then
Feet,
also they have, we're going to bring back the water taxi.
Water? Oh, on the canals?
Yes.
Oh, that's
And the last we're going to bring back tram.
The tram, yeah, I saw there are some tracks still.
Over
the
there.
Rails. Yeah, some rails there. Yeah.
Over there. It was 2013 when we digging part of this area.
Yeah.
In 20 meters, we found that the 200 years old, the first tram.
2 meters deep.
Yeah. We close with the glass and build a small monument with some photo that you call for the reconstruction.
Reconstruction, yeah.
Then on the way back home, Holland's government give us to bring back home 2 locomotives from 1940.
Oh, and they're still working?
With the steam stone.
Yeah, with charcoal.
Yes.
Yeah, say hi for YouTube. Oh, I feel so like a celebrity here.